There is a feature in Perplexity called Perplexity Pages, and this is actually not a new feature anymore. When I'm recording this video, it's almost a year that we have Perplexity Pages. But in a nutshell, Perplexity Pages is a feature that lets you generate an article or sort of publication using AI in Perplexity, and the content will be made to public. So anyone can see the creation or your creation with AI, and you can even add some links, you can add some pictures. So it's almost like blog posts or creating article on the internet, but Perplexity will give you every single tool that you need, and basically we just send some prompts and the AI will do all the hard work. So this is actually the announcement page of Perplexity Pages. You can see there are some features that are being showcased here. There are also some articles that are being made in Perplexity Pages. By the way, I'm going to link this announcement in the description or maybe the video comment, and you can take a look. And this is one example of a Perplexity page that someone has created. It looks almost like a Wikipedia article. You can see that there are a lot of text, there are some pictures, and of course there is this jump link on the right side of the screen. You can click on it and it will jump you to that specific section of the article. Very similar to Wikipedia, and you can create something like this with just prompting. So yeah, this is almost like a Wikipedia article, but it is still part of Perplexity, and I think some people might be using it for generating some report or creating some sort of a blog post, but instead of them writing the article, it's just AI. The author in this case is just giving some idea or guiding the AI about what the content should look like. So I think that's quite interesting. We are kind of combining human brain and AI to generate this piece. But anyway, let me show you how you can generate a page just like this one using Perplexity Pages. And there is one thing that you need to know is that this feature is only available for the Pro subscribers. So if you're using the free Perplexity subscription, unfortunately, that's not going to be available. If you feel like Perplexity Pro is a bit too expensive, I actually have a discount link, $10 discount link for the first month of Perplexity. You can check it out in the video description or the video comment. But anyway, if you're using the Pro subscription and you want to create a Perplexity Pages, then here's how you can do it. First, you have to open Perplexity and then navigate to Library. And after that, you have to click Page right here. And so this is basically where you can write the topic about anything, and then AI will search the internet and then will give you the answer or basically generate an article based on the topic. So in this case, I want to know why DeepSeek R1. If you don't know DeepSeek R1, it is a new AI model from China that was trained for just, I believe, $5.5 million, which is just insane amount of money. It's very small compared to what OpenAI spent for developing ChatGPT, for example. So it's very interesting that a company from China can do a lot with less money. So I want to write the topic to be why DeepSeek R1 is cheaper than OpenAI, let's say O1 mini, or maybe O1 or O3 models. But anyway, this is the topic, and you can select the audience. There are 3 different categories. There is anyone, basically for general public, and then beginners, and then there's also experts. I guess the middle ground is here for anyone. And after that, I'm going to send the topic and let AI do all the hard work. I'm not sure what is the AI model that is being used by Perplexity to generate this kind of content, but I'm pretty sure that they're using the Sonar model, which is the model based on the Meta's Llama, but it was fine-tuned by Perplexity for better efficiency, and I think it's going to be a lot cheaper than using GPT-4o or Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. Now, as you can see, there are some paragraphs being created, and there is also this cover picture, which we will go back into that later. But if you look at it, you will see that there are some links, there are some resources being linked at the end of the section, and you can also see there is a jump link on the right side of the screen. So the article is still being created, and I'm going to show you later what we can do after it finishes creating the first draft of the article. Now, the first draft is finished, but we can add more here. So for example, I want to add some pictures to this section. So fortunately, there is a button to add a picture easily. Just click this add media button, and Perplexity is going to either generate a picture using AI image generator like DALL-E or Playground or Flux that is available in Perplexity, or it will also just search the image on the internet. So it's quite interesting. I want to change the picture, so I could upload my own image. I can also generate some image using, you know, AI models in Perplexity. So I want to create a photograph picture. I don't know what is the prompt, but I'm just leaving AI to decide what is the best prompt for this particular section, and hopefully it is relevant to the topic. Okay, reinforced learning, supervised to supervised, fine tuning. Okay, I think the image is okay. That's totally fine. And you can also add another section here, so you can specify what section that you might want to add. If you have no idea, then you can select the topic right here. Okay, I'm going to click scalability in real world application. And by the way, you have the option to choose the style of the content. You could make it a table, a bullet point. You can also select the writing, whether it's going to be concise or detailed. And also you can choose this media plus text, which is, I think, a quite interesting combination. So I'm going to click on this option and just let AI run everything for me, which is very, very interesting. Yeah, so I'm not doing anything, literally just guiding the AI about what it has to write. I'm just clicking here and then clicking here. And of course, if you want to make a really good content, you better read that, you better understand that, so you know how to add content to this Perplexity page. And at the end, of course, there's the same section again. We can, you know, select a topic and then let AI run everything. And I think this is going to be the last section that I'm going to add. And after that, I'm going to publish this. I'm going to publish this page so anybody can visit this Perplexity page that I just created. So I think this is good enough. Now I'm going to scroll down to the very top. I guess I'm going to change the cover picture here to something else. I'm maybe using AI. So let's try using illustration. All right. Okay, so, well, that's very interesting. It's generating this kind of picture. I don't know why, but you know what? Let's try using a different prompting. Okay, that's a problem using automatic prompting. You have no idea what to expect. So let's say I want to try using AI money, something like that. I'm not into writing a lot of prompt, just a simple prompt and just let AI do the rest. Hopefully you can figure out what is the kind of illustration that I want to get. AI money, and then it's Bitcoin logo. Okay, that's very interesting. But you know what? Let's try something else. Let's, you know, use an existing feature on the internet, which I think this one is good enough. So after that, you can preview, or you can also just publish the content immediately. I'm going to publish this content. And there you go. So the content has been published and the link also has been copied to my clipboard, and I can open the browser and I can visit this link. And again, this is available for everyone. You can always share the link and then let anyone read the content that you just created with the help of AI. And of course, if you want to change the content again, you can always go to the link and then edit the page, or you can also navigate to your library and then go to Perplexity Pages and then, you know, select the content that you want to edit. So if you want to edit, you just click the edit button. And now you are on the edit mode. You can add more section, you can add images, you can change a lot of things in this page. But that's basically some features, some functions in Perplexity Pages. So if you find this video to be useful, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I probably going to make more videos about AI. And in any case, I wish you a great day ahead. Thank you.